Write the recurring decimal 0.67 recurring as a fraction. Show all your working and give your answer in its simplest form. There's only one way to do this, by letting x equal 0.67 recurring, which is the recurring decimal that we want to write as a fraction. Then if we multiply x by 10 to get 10x, 10x should equal 10 multiplied by 0.67 recurring, which equals 6.7 recurring. We then multiply the x by 100 to get 100x, and 100x should equal 100 multiplied by 0.67 recurring, which equals 67.7 recurring. We will repeat this process by multiplying x by 1,000, then 100,000 if necessary, until the decimal places are exactly the same. But in this case, with 10x and 100x, the decimal places are already exactly the same, so we can stop here for this question. When we have two numbers with exactly the same decimal points, when we subtract them, all the decimal points will disappear. So if we do 67.7 recurring minus 6.7 recurring, it will equal exactly 61.0. 67.7 recurring is 100x and 6.7 recurring is 10x. So we can write 100x minus 10x, which equals 67.7 recurring minus 6.7 recurring, which will simplify to 90x equals exactly 61. And x is equal to 0.67 recurring, which is the number we are trying to write as a fraction. So all we have to do now is make x the subject of the formula by dividing both sides by 90. And by doing that, x equals 61 over 90, and that is 0.67 recurring as a fraction. For this question, we can use a calculator to check whether the answer is correct and also to check whether the fraction is in its simplest form. Type 61 divided by 90 into your calculator and hit the equal button. The answer as a decimal should be 0.67 recurring, and if you push the button to change the answer into a fraction, it should equal 61 over 90, or if there's a more simple form of the fraction, it will give your answer as the fraction in its simplest form. If the calculator is showing 61 over 90 as the answer in terms of the fraction, that means that it's already in the simplest form and you can leave your answer like that.